This 2019 Winnebago View 24D is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Summit, Acosta Cherry interior, sleeps 5, TV, smoke detector, self-contained, TV antenna, LP detector, Colorado detector, air conditioning, Skylight, slide-out, external shower, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front dinette, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2019 Winnebago View 24D is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz V6 3.0L 188 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.